Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a spelling error on Google Chrome. So there's a feature when you can correct your spelling. So by access setting at the top of corner of your screen, click it settings and click on synchronize and Google services. Now you can find enhanced spell check. To fix spelling errors, Chrome sends the text you type in browser to Google. So please turn this on in order to use this enhanced spell check. So here, for example, your spell will be checked, fixed by Chrome itself if you turn this on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.